fix Coinbase account under review problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Coinbase account under review problem. Now, first things first, if your account is under review, it can be a stressful experience, especially if you rely on it for trading or managing your cryptocurrency investments, right? Now, first step is to understand the reason for review. You want to check if what reason is your account facing the problem for, the review for, whether suspicious activity or unusual transactions, compliance with regulatory requirements, verification of account information, large transactions, or significant changes in trading patterns. Now, first you want to check your email and Coinbase notifications. Coinbase typically communicates the reason for the review through email or account notifications. Carefully read any messages from Coinbase to understand the specific issue and what actions are required from your side. Then you want to gather required documentation. If Coinbase requests additional documentation, gather and prepare the required documents. Commonly requested items may include proof of identity such as passport, driver's license, etc., or proof of address such as utility bill, bank statement, and source of funds documentation, example pay stubs or bank statements. Ensure that the documents are clear, legible, and up to date. Similarly, submit documents promptly. Submit the requested documents promptly through the appropriate channels. Coinbase usually provides a secure upload link or an email address for document submission. Delaying this step can prolong the review process. The other way is to contact the Coinbase support. If you have any questions or concerns about the review, contact Coinbase support for assistance. You can reach out through the Coinbase Help Center, where you can find articles, FAQs, and contact options such as live chat or email support. Now, live chat and email support will be the best way to contact. Be polite and provide all necessary details to expedite the resolution. Then you want to monitor your account. While your account is under review, regularly monitor your email and Coinbase notification for updates. Coinbase may require additional information or actions from you, and you want to avoid unusual activity, and at last, be patient. Do not try to use VPN, which may trigger further scrutiny. Don't make large transactions or change account settings. Avoid any unusual or suspicious activity. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.